If you thought he killed me and made me into a mask or a statue or something, that's wrong. I'm alive.
I thought about it. YouTube. I'm here. Hey, what's up, meatballs? Mr. Meat Hook here, along with Chands. We are doing it's been a long time since we did a Taste Test Tuesday,
True.
but yeah, we're doing Taste Test Tuesday.
If you thought he killed me and made me into a mask or a statue or something, that's wrong. I'm alive.
I thought about it. Anyways, it is time for Taste Test Tuesday, where we try it before you buy it. We munch it before you crunch it. Anyways, we were at Target the other day doing some grocery shopping, and we saw something we wanted to try. So we thought we'd share our first thoughts with you. It is that time again where Lay's has 3 different flavors of shit for you to try. Picked up all 3. We'll see how they are. They all sound like they'd be good this time. Last time,
no. Well, last time
they had like the kitchen sink bagel or the everything bagel, whatever it was. I think it was fucking garbage.
Kitchen sink bagel, the green tomato, which was a bomb, and tacos, right?
Yeah, the tacos were good.
No, I wished I had gotten more of the green. Oh, it was so good.
So the first one we got is chile con queso, and then they also have West Coast truffle fries.
Hold on. Okay, so let me read the description for this one first. Inspired by legendary Tex-Mex of the Southwest, here's a taste of velvety cheddar queso with a dash of spice. Whoever needs guac. Well, he don't like no guac.
Okay, West Coast truffle fries. Inspired by a taste perfected in the West. Parmesan, sea salt, and truffle oil on fresh fries. It's a little SoCal and a little NorCal. And a little holy cow and a whole lot of holy shit! No, it doesn't say that last part, I added that. And the one I'm the most excited about. Bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. Which says, inspired by a Southwest favorite and now nationally loved. Here's the taste of jalapeno peppers, cream cheese, and bacon. Let's spice up snack time.
Yum. So down here, there's different flavors. So it's crab spice, cajun spice, fried pickles with ranch, Thai sweet chili,
I'm glad she can see that.
something cheeses, lobster roll, oh god, deep dish pizza. What? It's like pimento cheese or whatever the last one is.
So let's get started on these. Which ones are we going to try first? Should we do least anticipated to most anticipated?
Yeah.
So which one do you care about the least?
Wait, what's that one again? I forget.
The West Coast truffle fries.
This one least, I guess.
Okay. Well, we're a little different on that, but that's okay.
Why? You were doing the West Coast?
Yeah, I would do for least to most. I would do West Coast truffle fries.
Smell
first.
it.
It smells like.
It smells like.
Smells like potato chips
Let me see.
with a little bit of spices in them.
Yeah, like potato chips and no, it doesn't smell like no cheese or anything. Let's see. Ready?
Yep. Okay, that one's got more flavor on it.
At first, it just tastes like potato chips.
Unless you get one that's got quite a bit of the flavoring on it, it just tastes like a potato chip.
Now it can taste like a little bit of queso.
I taste like the peppers in there. I don't really taste any cheese.
I tasted cheese on mine. Let's see. Oh, I like these ones. Comment if you like these. They're like rolled up. They're
Okay.
extra crunchy.
I'll finish the bag, but I don't know if I'll buy them again.
Yeah, same.
Truffle fries next?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
They taste too cheesy to me. I wish they were a little sweet. Oh! Why? It smells like fish.
Yeah. It smells like fish.
Did it?
That's probably the truffle oil.
Okay. Oh.
They taste like Parmesan cheese.
Yeah, like oily Parmesan cheese. It's not as bad as it smells.
Yeah, definitely not as bad as it smells, but really heavy on the Parmesan cheese.
Yeah. Probably more cheesy than that one. I mean,
Again.
Finish them, but.
I'll finish them, but I don't see me buying them again.
Yeah. Last one.
That's the one I'm like
smell.
super excited for.
Ooh, he is gonna get excited.
Oh my god, I just came.
That's what I was gonna say.
Oh, I just fucking came in my fucking pants.
Jizz everywhere.
I knew it. I'm dead.
Bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. I'm super
dead,
excited.
darling.
Super excited for this. Oh, thanks for waiting for me.
Taste the bacon. Taste the jalapeno. I taste both. I can definitely taste the bacon.
I definitely taste the cream cheese.
I don't. We have different taste buds.
It's got the kick like it would for the jalapenos. The bacon flavor that I'm getting from this, it's not like a real bacon flavor. It's like Bayco's, those generic ass imitation bacon bits you would get for a salad. That's what it tastes like to me.
Oh yeah. See, like I like bacon, but I'm not like in love with it like he is. So he knows the real tea.
Yeah. They're really good though. I'll definitely be getting these again. And bowling oil.
Oh wow. Oh, I want the. Still, my favorite is still like the green tomato one. That was really good. Stop. That was good. I'll get like a tiny one. Ugh. Well, let us know if you've tried these, which ones you like.
Yeah, if you tried them, let us know what you guys think in the comments below. If you haven't tried them, let us know which one you think is the best. I think we both agree that the bacon wrapped jalapeno is the best one.
Okay, yeah, that, I don't know. These are like, it's just.
The chili con queso is good. The West Coast truffle fries, like I said, I'll finish them, but I think they'll be the last ones we finish.
It tastes so oily. I don't know. It just tastes like.
I might have to buy like some cheese dip or something for them.
You can't eat them on their own.
I'm not saying I can't.
I mean, I can. I don't eat like cheese dip or anything with chips. I'll eat them. They're not terrible.
Yeah, they're not terrible. Nothing is as bad as the green tomato ones were last year.
Hey.
Those things were terrible.
That's terrible.
No.
A potato chip should not taste like a fucking tomato, and that's what those things tasted like.
It was good.
If you want tomato chips, buy tomato chips.
Oh, yeah.
Anyways, guys, thank you for watching.
If you have any more recommendations on foodies, leave it down below.
Yes.
Or drinks. Oh, and drinks. Lit.
If you have any adult beverages you want us to try out, let us know. So don't make it like something fucking crazy, like some fucking $1,200 bottle of cognac, because that's not going to happen.
I can do it.
Yeah, you can, moneybags. Anyways, guys, have a great day.
Stop it, please, for God's sake, please stop it. There's no more time. You've got to, please, stop it. Stop it now. Turn it off. Turn it off. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.